All right. This is Dre's at Dre's. Yeah. So I want us to do an analysis on Doge, so we can understand the time frames, the overall trend of Doge. So these are what we have been trading since. Yeah, these are what we have been trading. So we want to understand the overall trend and know the next market direction, so we can capture a bigger moves. So first of all, what we want to find out is the trend, the market trend. What is the trend? This is a clear downtrend. Sorry, this is a clear downtrend. So now we can see this is the monthly time frame. So what I'll be doing right now is called the top down analysis. Sorry, excuse me. So first of all, I want to find out. Okay, now I want to draw a trend line now to find out the direction of the market, the overall direction of the market. So so this is it. Yeah, the market is in a downtrend. This is how to draw a trend line. The market is in a pure downtrend. You can see, right? It's in a pure downtrend. It's clear. Yeah, pure downtrend. Pure downtrend. So that is why I've been giving out signals on short, 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 short. Then we're being careful for a long signal. Even when we had an opportunity of a long, you could see how it's retraced back because we are in a clear, pure downtrend. So now, what now to find out is the recent support and resistance on the monthly time frames. So that if price breaks those resistance area, you should know that we are bullish. So right now we are bearish. We are in a downtrend. We are bearish. Although we are seeing signals, we are seeing bullish signals. We are seeing bullish momentum forming and all that. That's why we have these two candles, these two green candles right here. These two green candles right here. So, but right now we don't know if they are going to respect this trend line or if they will not. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. So, but what we know right now is that you are still in a clear downtrend. Yeah, a clear downtrend. So now, what is our next resistance? What is our resistance on the monthly time frame? Now, let me draw a resistance line. So now, this is our resistance line. Yeah, these are our resistance line. I have to make sure it's straight on the monthly time frame. The overall resistance. So now look at the market structure right now. This is the market structure. This is the market structure. So what is going to happen next now? So now we'll try to check the sorry. This is our recent support. This is not a resistant line. No, this line is our recent support. I'll make the line blue. I'll make the line blue. Yeah, these are recent supports. That is why when price got here, it bounced back, and that's why we got these two green candles. So that's our recent support on the monthly time frame. Then now we're going to check our recent what's it called? Our recent resistance. This the blue line is a support line. Then let's let me clone this. Let me clone this. Let me clone this. Now this is our recent resistance on the monthly time frame. Now I'll change the resistance line to red zone. Yeah, red. Support blue, resistance support blue, resistance red. Then the trend line is black. Okay, now so already now this is a setup. This is what we've been trading on this zone. Yeah, we've been trading ducks on this zone for a very long time. So now this is the overall trend. Where is price going to right now? Price has hit the red line, which is our resistance. So where is it going to right now? We don't know yet. Will it still hit it and break out from there, then start going up? Because price moves from one level to another level. Price moves from one level to another level. So once price break out from this level, then we'll look for the next resistance, which is at this point. But that's what we're going to right now. We are still in this particular zone, trading in the zone. Yeah, we are still in this particular zone. We are in between the red resistance line and the blue support line. So now, what is going to happen? Price has hit this resistance line. It's going to go down. That is why I drew this trend line, this black trend line, to know what is going to happen next. Okay, now let's check from our weekly time frame what happened when price hits the red resistance line and the resistance line. Let's check what happened from the weekly time frame. Let's see what happened. Here we go. Let's see what happens. 1 week. Wow. So when price got to that resistance line, it's now retraced back. So where is it going to now? Is it coming back to support? No, I don't think it's coming back to support. Is it? I don't think it's coming back to support. Will it come and retest? Is it coming to retest and go back up, or what's going to happen right now? I'm seeing some kind of candles right now that I'm not comfortable with. This is a pure downtrend. This is a pure downtrend. Now we got a double bottom right here in the weekly time frame. Is that the end of the bullish? We don't know yet. But check for clearer pictures. Now, but there's in this there's a resistance somewhere around here. Okay, there's support somewhere around here. Now, when price got here, it reversed. So what's going to happen? Will it come back to the support line? Now, what I'm going to do in this case? Wow, hold on. What am I going to do in this case? Will price go back up, like, or to come down? That's what we want to find out. That's what we want to find out. That's what I want to find out. So this is a pure downtrend, clear downtrend. All these candles, this one candles means a lot on the low time frame. It means a lot. The ups and down of these candles can give us so many moves in the market because we're on the weekly time frame. The up and down of this small candle can give us a whole lot of moves. Can give us over 100%. Can give us a whole lot of moves. So this candle is what we have been trading. This small candle, this small candle. So where is the candle going to? Where is the overall candle going to? It is going down. The candle, this particular candlestick is going down. Like this particular candle, where my hand is right now. The candle is going down. And that's what we have been trading. Now we are taking long positions. We are only taking advantage of the fact that there is a wick right here. So this wick right here got to a support level. Now let me put in the support, another support line right there. Now, here it is. So that's another weekly support. So now it got here, then it reversed back. But what's going to happen? It looks like price is still going to come down. That is why we had a massive pullback. That's why I told you guys I'm not comfortable that you guys come out of that dusk trade. Yeah, if you're not comfortable in a trade, when the trade as when it gets to an area whereby you expect to go up, like I expect it to go to hit this place and go back up. So when it hit this place and it was going back up, then it started coming down, and now there is a 50 EMA. If you can see clearly, 50 EMA right here, and price is still under the 50 EMA. So it's still showing me that it's still in downtrend. The downtrend is still very much valid. And there is a candle here. There's a candle stick right here. That's still telling me that the price is still very much bullish. So that's why I tell you guys, I come down. I only took advantage of that fast move. That's why I said, okay, quickly go up. Because price got to this line, this point. So now, what's going to happen next? We'll have to check the daily candle to know what is happening on this particular candle. This particular candle right here. We need to see what's going on. If price going to reverse back from here and start going up, break out this line and start going up, break out the trend and start going up, or probably it should continue its downtrend, downtrend. Now we can see that from the smaller time frame. Let's find out what's going to happen on the. Let's find out what the daily time frame is telling us about what price is doing right now. Yeah, let's find out about what price is doing right now on the daily time frame. Yeah. So what I'm doing to you guys right now is what we call the top-down analysis. Now, yeah, look at the bullish candle. Wow, on the daily time frame. But what's going to happen right now? I can see a bullish candle right here on the daily time frame, and it's above the 200 EMA. Woo. Okay, okay. It's above the 200 EMA. Okay. Now look at the bullish candle right here. Now look at the resistance that stock us that made us go down. The 50 EMA that I told you guys about. This is 50 EMA. It rejected price. So now price is in between the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA, which means the price will be ranging at those spots. Price going to be ranging right now. Now we'll be experiencing market range at this point. But now, what I smell right now on the 4 hours candle, I said I'm seeing a head and shoulder on the 4 hours time frame of dogs. Yeah, this is the reason because the price above the 200 EMA. So now the 200 EMA can either pull it up, can stand as a source of support, and take it up from here to this point. Then we can now decide what's going to happen later on from there. But right now, there is a strong resistance, which is the 50 EMA, that is keeping price in between these two price. Between, let me zoom it so you see very well. Look at price just in between the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. That is why you can see that the market is ranging from here. So now, I'll have to draw another trend line, but I'll use different color this time. I'll put the trend line in between these two lines, the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. Okay, 50 EMA, that's support. Then I'll put it down at the 200 EMA. Ah, I would love to change this color to something else. Okay, let me still use the red. Let me still use red. I don't want any color to confuse you guys. The 200 EMA, because that's another area. It's acting as a support for this candle. Or let me use black, since black is our general trend line. So let me use black. So let me use black. So this is what they call top-down analysis. So you know the overall trend of the market direction. Once you understand all this, you understand the market structure, you understand market trends and all that, you will never lose a trade again except for news. Whenever news comes, you might be stuck out of your trade, or probably sometimes the news might even favor your market. So you cannot lose all the time. You always win most of your trades when you analyze your market. If you don't analyze your market, just stay out of the market. Don't trade. Don't just trade. Analyze your market before you trade. Know where the market direction is heading to. Then follow the direction. That is when you should trade. If you don't understand it, don't trade. Don't trade. Don't trade. I say don't trade. Don't gamble. Keep your money. Now, let's go to the 4 hours candle. Let's see what is happening in this axis, this particular axis. Let's see what's happening right now. These are the candles we have been trading, that we are going up and down, that is making us liquidate, that is getting us liquidated, that is giving us more money. That this is the candle, this particular candle right here. So what is happening right here? What is happening right here? Okay, let's go and check it out. Let's go. Then we'll go to the 4 hours time frame to see what is happening. So what I'm doing right now is called the top-down analysis. Top-down analysis. Now let's go to the 4 hours candle right now. Okay. 4 hours candle. 4 hours time frame. Sorry, that's what I meant to say. I meant to say let's go to the 4 hours time frame right now. Yeah, that's what I meant. I meant to say let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So this is what is happening in the 4 hours time frame. Now I'm seeing a structure. Woo! Oh my god. I'm seeing a head. This is a head. Shoulder, shoulder. And when you see a head and a shoulder sign, that is bullish. Look at the way price came from here. And came into this, it came into this zone and came down here. Now that's how price will come outside from here and start going up till it get to this line here. Now, but we are waiting for it to break out the structure right now because it's on the 50 EMA. So now I smell a bullish signal. Once price breaks out from here, because I'm seeing a head and a shoulder. Woo, wow, woo. So once price breaks out from this point to 0.18879, expect price to go all the way down to Miami to 0. What's it called? 0.2. Okay, 0.22753. Yeah, 0.2753. Now look at what is happening right now. Oh my God! Just this is just one candle on the what's it called, on the daily time frame. This is one candle I've just analyzed. Look at what the candle is doing right now. So now, what next? What are we going to do right now? What can we do? Should we wait for the breakout or we should trade? Now, if you have a trade right now, this is a 50 EMA. The red line is 50 EMA. Now, there's a candle on the 50 EMA heading to this side. For me, I will go for a buy. But right now, before I go for a buy, I have to know what is happening in a smaller time frame, like the 1 hour. What is happening in the 1 hour candle? Let me see what that candle is doing right now. This particular candle, this green candle, this 4 hours candle right here that is on the 50 EMA, this one that my finger is touching right here. Let me see what's happening in the 4 hour candle in the 1 hour time frame. So I will know when to enter the trade from the 1 hour. And if I'm not still clear, I'll go to 15 minutes to know when to enter the trade. Now let's go. Follow me, let's go. 1 hour. There, here we go. 1 hour candle is loading right now. So 1 hour candle. Let's see what's happening right here. Woo! 1 hour candle is ready to zoom up. But now this line is still making it not to go up. Oh my god! 1 hour candle is on a 200 EMA, ready to move, ready to break this resistance, ready. Once it breaks it from here, then we go up, woo, down to 0.244, whatever. Okay, now, so now what do we do right now? This this candle right now is what we have been trading for some time. This small candle right here that we've been trading right now. Okay, so now what do we do right now? What do we do right now? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Let's go back to the 15 minute time frame. Let's see what's happening in on that candle. Let's see what is going on so we can know when to enter, whether I should enter or should not enter, or should wait for the breakout. Then we go all the way down to Miami. Okay, let's see on the 15 minute time frame what we can do on the 15 minute time frame. Oh, you see now? You see what's happening right now? Can you see? So right now, we can't trade right now.